And that is the candlestick charts. Okay. Even if you are witnessing the live charts from Bombay Stock Exchange or in case of National Stock Exchange, or even if you are in Singapore, everywhere, all the stock markets, they used to mention about these type of candlestick charts. It is very famous one. It is very old and it is the golden rule. By seeing the candlestick, you are able to predict. In those days, they created nicely. Even nowadays, after the data visualization techniques and by introducing the new methods of creating the charts in software, they are projecting nicely the candlestick charts. But only thing, you are able to read and understand the charts, how these charts looks like. And in case of Excel, we can easily prepare the candlestick charts also. Okay, that is our discussion today. So, why these candlestick charts are very famous, I shared with you with the investing.com. I hope you might have seen this thing. And today we will see the same thing in the live chart, how it is working on. You can see these charts everywhere. If you are seeing the share price movements, immediately, whatever the website you are opening, you are able to see only these candlestick patterns. And some unwanted words and commercial jargons are used. Harami bullish, 3 inside up, doji star, dragonfly doji, hanging man, dark cloud. These are all the very nice unwanted technical terms used with the common sense in the stock markets. So today you are able to find out the meaning of all those things. What is the meaning of dragonfly? What is the meaning of doji, engulfing bearish trend? All those things. Harami bullish. These are all the technical words. And remember this, these technical words are common throughout the globe. Still, I remember first time I visited the Singapore Stock Exchange, we were sitting and I had taken our students inside that room and that person is showing how the Singapore Stock Exchange shares are moving up. Immediately he is telling that, very nice, we welcome you. Today our share prices are like a dragonfly bearish trend. Sorry, dragonfly bullish trend. I thought, why this fellow is telling dragonfly? Since I thought they may be influenced with China. Then we can't know that they are telling with the same story. That is very interesting thing. You must know that one. Throughout the globe, even when we visited the Berlin Stock Exchange, and in case of the Germany FTSE also, same thing happened. They are telling about the hanging man. Today's our stocks are moving like a hanging man. Even in London Stock Exchange, it is same thing. In New York Stock Exchange, they are all using same words. That is why, even though it is commercial jargon, it is very popular nowadays. That is the advantage of this candlestick pattern. As an analytic student, if I am showing this graph, immediately Manuel is able to tell, okay, today what is the trend? Immediately Manuel will say this is dark cloud cover or hanging man or engulfing, harami, whatever it may be. You are able to tell. That means that you have studied everything. Only if you know the pattern nicely, you can easily predict. Simple thing, you can sit in your home and decide everything. Only thing, you must know how to see all those things. All this candlestick pattern comes from the traditional method called the market shocks. Market shocks are common. If any announcement is coming, suddenly it will change. Even today, you can see when your senior came to our department, it is a shock to us. It is a good shock. We were while celebrating with this nice, what is that, laddu, because it is a market shock for us. In case of education technology, if our alumni has done or achieved something, we will be satisfied. Same thing in case of stock market. Sometimes the shock is very good. Sometimes the shock is shocking. It is quite common. These shocks are reflected in terms of candlestick theory. Previously, in case of Sensex, you can see in very olden days how the stock market has been given the shock. If you can see the zooming in techniques, you can see the journey of the Sensex blast in Mumbai came once. By that time, everything went down. Then Kargil war, another shock. Then it tends to increase. When the Prime Minister was being elected, once again it increased. Then the Sensex crosses 40,000. But you can see here, when the COVID-19 triggers, immediately the negative shock we observe. Suddenly it comes down. Then once again, now it is moving and it crossed around 50,000 mark. These are all the market shocks. The biggest market shock was the blast in Mumbai. Previously, it was the Rajiv Gandhi assassination was said to be the market shock. Then the Satyam scam, you can see this one here. The Satyam scam, immediately after the Satyam scam, it went down. That is the negative shock, shocking news of the market shocks. Quite common. And the advantage is sometimes it is creating the positive shocks. When Modi won the second term and when he was elected, it was the biggest one. Likewise, during the period of Arshad Mehta scam, after this scam, immediately when the NDA falls, by that time it creates another shock. These are all called as market shocks, quite common. So these type of shocks you can notice with the help of the candlestick theory. Okay? And another common one, whether our stock market is crowded or not. Now in case of your class, everybody is seeing means everybody is ready to buy one share means it is called as the crowded trade. More number of investors are ready to buy same thing based upon the share price movements. If the Sensex is slightly tends to move, immediately everybody will go and buy these shares. Then it may be crowded. If it is crowded, the price will increase. It is quite common. So in case of the share market, to find out all these things, crowded trade, that is how much participants are there, whether they are ready to sell their hot money, all these things can be easily identified with the help of simple graph, what is called the candlestick. You can see this is the candlestick chart. Everywhere you can see, even if you tune on the CNBC TV 18, every 20 minutes once they used to showcase this thing, the candlestick. That is the live chart. And in this candlestick, there are some upwards, downwards. You can see green color, red color, all these colors will come. And suddenly something is less, something is very big. So you must know by seeing this chart, you are able to find out what is the trend. Somebody is calling you, that is the customer is calling you, immediately you are able to see this chart and you are able to tell them correctly. It is quite common. Okay, these are all called the candlestick charts. Today we are going to discuss about these candlesticks. Why this is in red color, why it is in green color, why something is having the fire in both sides. Some of them are having very thin layer, some of them are having very big layer. All these things are there. Okay? By seeing that one, how you can judge this thing, we are going to see. Usually, without seeing the candlestick, we may find out only these things. That is whether we are moving in the downward trend or in upward trend, that we used to find out easily. If the curve is coming down, it is the downward trend. Then if it is moving, it is called the upward trend. It is quite common, but within that one, there are some boxes. You can see here is the green box. In this green box, it is substituted with two lines up and down. The low one line is there. In here, it is the opening price. If the opening price is 80 and the closing price is 100, it shows the green color. Okay? This means that opening price is less than the closing price. It will show the green color effect. So we can find out immediately that on the particular day, it is going in the green color. We can see what is the name we can give for that one. You can see in this graph, you can easily find out different candlesticks. You can start from the opening. Opening was the lowest rate at the day. You can see the opening price is less, but the green is moving very up. That means opening price and closing price difference is high there. We'll see in this example. We will see one by one. First case, the opening was the lowest rate at that date. Another thing you can see in the another green, there are some lines up and down, flaming trees. Most of the trade has been performed between the opening and closing. That is why the tree is having lines up and down. That is the single line represents. Another thing you can see here, it is a red box. Under that, the line is very big, upward direction it is small. It means that opening and closing rates are very close because the box is small. However, the trading range was very large because the line represents the long. The trading line is very big. You can see the first one, the trading line is not there. It's very, very small here. That is why it is mentioned that both training, that is the trading and everything is performed within that one. But here it is not like that. The opening and closing rates are within this limit, small box, but the line is big. That means more trading is happening. It will reflect the relationship between both the closing price as well as the opening price plus the volume of trading. Simple thing, volume of trading. It is like a flame in the candle. If the flame is very big, it means that more trade is happened. If the flame is glowing very bright, it is treated as the positive trend. The flame is big, but the light brightness is less, means it is the negative trend. Same thing, that is the rule of candle, which has been reflected here nicely. Likewise, you can see here, the red line is very, very big, and the underline is also very long. That means that the opening and closing price are having more difference. The top is the opening, the end is the closing. The prices came down. Opening price has been dominated in the top and closing price has been dominated in the bottom. And the line is here. there is most of the trade has been happened in the opening place, opening trade. This is how we can interfere with this simple diagram. However, you will see these are all the regular things. In addition to that, in traditional time, we used to speak with some new words. We will see all these new words and the technical term. First, we will see the bullish candle and bearish candle. In candle, you may not see that one. Candle will glow in same manner, but in this candle chart diagram, it is having two things. The basic thing you must understand. One is in green color, another one is in red color. In case of some of the charts, it is in black. Green is representing in the white also. Especially in case of Excel, it will reflect. Bullish candle means you can see opening price is at the end. Closing price is at the top. And after the closing price also there's a line. Before the opening price is also the line. This line represents the volume of trade. That means the bullish candle shows that the volume of trade is good. And this, in the particular day, in the market, the prices are high. That means the closing price is higher than the opening price. This implies, this gap indicates that how much bullish it is. That is very interesting thing. So by seeing this candle, you are able to see. In those days, we used to call it as face is the impression of the mind. When you can see your face, your mind will be reflected. Same thing. If you are smiling within your mind, we can say that you are in a bullish trend. That means you are active inside the class. If your eyes are not glowing and if your eyes are going down and seeing your mobile, but for simply sleeping and listening, it means that your mindset is very strong. You are not active. You are active in some other place. Same thing is reflected here in the form of bullish and bearish candle. You can say in bearish candlestick, the opening is in top, the closing price is in the beginning. That is in the down. That is the first term you must know by seeing the candle. By seeing the flame of the candle chart, you are able to decide whether it is bullish or in bearish. Okay? Okay, same thing is reflected nowadays. I told you instead of green color, now it is reflected in case of boxes. In case of Excel, if you are using the green color represents the simply boxes. You can see the green color. If you are using the softwares, it will show only the green and red colors. But in case of Excel or in older software, it will show only the box. Whereas the red colors are shown in the form of black, pure black. Okay? That is the basic thing. Now coming to the trend, how the trend is going. We used to say down candle, up candle, doji, then shadows. What is the down candle? Down candle is the bearish trend. You can see in this down candle, the lines are down and it is in red color. It simply refers to the bearish trend. Usually in European market, when you are discussing, they will speak only in these technical terms, down candle effect. So you are able to understand immediately. Somebody will call and they will ask about you, what is the trend? You are able to say all these unwanted terms with your common sense. Actually, this wording has been introduced in French. But nowadays, it is very common. It even overtakes the Hindi terms. Few Hindi terms are also there in BSc. They will tell only this thing. Down candle, up candle. Up candle means bullish trend. It is in green color or in pure white box. If nothing is happening, if it is flat, opening price and closing price are moving in the same direction, then it means that it is doji. It is the flat. Understand that one. They won't say that the opening and closing is going the same one. They will say the doji. Doji never means somebody name. It reflects the same thing. That is the difference between the opening and closing is less. The curve is going flat. Then the shadows. Shadows means the reflection. If suddenly the prices are moving up, immediately we know anytime it may come down. So slightly if it starts decreasing, we can say that the shadow of increasing price is coming immediately. The shadow of the bullish trend is coming in the form of bearish trend. Same thing, it is the COVID, like COVID graph. You are seeing the COVID graph in Bangalore. Suddenly it is moving up and it is called a sub candle. Sometimes it is down candle. And if it is flat, it is doji. Once it started moving for the next tsunami wave, it is creating the shadows. Same thing, you can see the shadows in the candlestick theory. Let us see the different terms under the bearish trend. Most bearish. In most bearish, there won't be any line in up and down. That means the volume of trade is within the opening and closing. It is not moving. It is restricted exactly. The volume of trading is happening within the opening and closing range. Like your speedometer. If you are driving, you are fixing the limit. We can travel within 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. Then it means that you are maintaining in the same level. But if you want to travel to Mysore, it is very tough time. There won't be any bearish or bullish. Anytime the traffic will be there between Bangalore and Mysore road. But if you are traveling in this Bangalore to Hosur road, after crossing Hosur to Chennai, it will be usually in the bullish trend. The speed will increase steadily. If you are traveling to airport road, it is bearish trend. You will maintain the speed, same thing. The second most bearish, the line, upward line is very big. That means the opening price area, they are selling more. That is the bearish trend. Second most bearish trend. Second most bearish trend means we are unable to move in a steady direction. We are decreasing the speed. But of course, by decreasing the speed, we are able to move. Sometimes there may be heavy traffic in Mandya, Bangalore, Mandya and Mysore road. You might have seen sometimes after Mandya to Mysore, you can maintain the speed level. That is the second most bearish trend. Same thing in share market also. Normal bearish means The lines, few lines are up and down. Neutral bearish, you can see the box is small, but lines are up and down are high. Least bearish, very, very risky. It is bearish trend, but we are unable to maintain. That is the traffic jam in the road. Within the Bangalore city, we will face only least bearish. Other than the curfew days, if you are traveling, especially Monday morning, we can see the bearish trend in case of Bangalore. Same thing in case of share market, it is the speed. The prices are going down, but the prices are, volume is traded mostly up. This is the reverse trend. Like bearish trend, this is the bullish candle. How the bullish candle will be that? Most bullish and least bullish. Very fast. That's what. If you are traveling from Bangalore to Chennai, after crossing the Hosur, you can see it will be most bullish. You can go in a steady speed. Even though the traffic will be high, the road is very wide, you can travel. Same thing, the share market is going nice direction. But you can't use the same thing for traveling between Bangalore to Mysore because the expressway is under construction. Once it is over, we can face the bullish trend in Mysore to Bangalore Road. Second most bullish, the opening price may be less. That's upward and trend. Neutral bullish, it is like a doji. Least bullish is very advantageous. It will go up and up exponentially. The speed of the share market will move up. Why you are studying? By seeing this candlestick, you are able to judge in the analytics. Most of the data visualization tools of the share price movements are reflected like that. You can see the anatomy. You have seen the opening and closing price. You can see the end. If the opening price and closing price is equal, then it is called as doji trend. Both will be same. That is called the doji trend. But if the opening price is same, if you are taken the speed of 30 kilometers per hour, let us assume for able to travel only at 30 kilometers speed. Very tough time. It is also not advisable. Same thing in share market, if doji is going on, no decision can be taken. It is the worst situation also. Okay, now some another words are used here. We have seen the bullish, bearish, then doji. You can see remaining trends. The first one is bullish one. You can see the bull effect. Yes, now you can see the bull effect. In the bull effect, there are another 4 commercial jargons are used. Engulfing. It is like a tsunami wave. Engulfing means here. Usually you might have seen in the beach. The wave will go inside the sea. Immediately, within fraction of seconds, it will be high and the tide will come to us. That is the engulfing. It is like a tsunami wave. You can see the engulfing pattern. It starts with the bearish, that is red color. It ends with green color. Like that one, the waves are going back. The prices tends to slightly decrease. But suddenly, it will overtake and go peak. That is the engulfing. The students, you must understand by seeing that one. The engulfing means it may go down. Usually, in case of the Indonesian case, it is called the tiger attack. If you've gone through the some of the softwares data visualization, they will put the tiger symbol there. Because if tiger wishes to attack a person, it will be silent. It will notice how others are doing. After studying for few seconds, suddenly it will attack. Then is the tiger attack story. It will come back. Then it will watch. Suddenly it will move up and attack. That is the tiger attack. It is the engulfing stage in bearish trend. Bullish trend. Small bearish effect will be there, then it is a big effect. Then the hammer effect. It is the bullish trend, but the prices will be very less. The opening price, most of the trade will happen in the opening price, not in the closing price. That is the hammer effect. You know the hammer. The head will have big one, but it is having a long tail. Same thing. Hammer effect means the volume of transaction will be more in case of the opening price. Most of the volumes are traded based upon the opening price, but the prices are increasing. That means it is called hammer effect. That is quite common everywhere. Hammer effect, you can see the volume of transactions. Even in case of supply chain management, we will find out the hammer effect. Even in marketing, we will have the hammer effect, which will reflect the price at low and ends with high price. But the most of the volume is traded at the low price. If the DMart announces suddenly the discount sale, they will see whether that's a hammer effect. Hammer effect means most of the people will buy at the time of less price. When the discount comes to near, the price tends to increase. That is the hammer effect. Even in online, I think recently, this Amazon, Jio, Flipkart, these people are creating a Republic Day sales. That is also coming in the hammer effect. You can see the hammer effect there. Then the piercing. Both this bull and bearish will be there. Bull and bear will meet together. It is equivalent to a climax scene. You can see in the climax scene of any film whether the love will success or not. Usually in case of comedy film, the love will be successful one. Same thing, the piercing effect. Both will have equivalent effect. It will come down, suddenly it will go. That is the climax scene. Whatever may be the film, you can see the villain role and hero role and heroine role. You can see everywhere in the climax scene. And it is the main factor which is deciding story of that one. Same thing, that is the piercing effect. How far the piercing effect has been reflected. It is very difficult to judge, but it is the climax. Two share prices are moving together. Yesterday it is bullish, now it is bearish. And that is the piercing effect. Then the Harami effect. Harami effect is whereas the bearish will be very big, bullish will be less. That is the Harami effect. In case of Harami effect, when it is suitable, we know the prices are changing. That is the Harami effect. Even it is called as Uttarayanam and Dakshinayam effect during this Makara Sankranti. Even in Bombay, people, they are having they used to find out the Harami effect also. The sun direction will change according to that. Some incidents will happen. Same thing. Suddenly, the market is moving towards the green. Previously, it was in the red. If something happened nicely, the Harami effect will come. That means some event is good, doing good. Previous day it was worst, the event was not good, but suddenly the event is nice. You can see that one, the Harami effect. Okay? Likewise, the other effects, shooting star. You can see bearish trend, spinning top, hammer. These are all the effects. It has been reflected in number of methods. You can see this thing, bullish effect, neutral effect, and the candlestick. Okay? Here they are explained in nice manner. Some other effect, bullish engulfing, tsunami of the bull, tiger attack, bearish engulfing going down. Harami effect, it is in both directions, either in bullish or bearish. Here it is bullish. The price is being pushed towards the tighter range and will break out soon. That is, climax scene is going on. Then the dark cloud. Dark cloud means you are unable to see what is happening. Some insider trading or something is going on. Rising sun means, okay, our price tends to increase. Bearish trend comes down, bull is going to pick up. That is the rising one. Too lows, too high, hammer. Then doji, that is the neutral one. That is how these candlesticks are used. Okay. Now let us see how these candlesticks are used. You can see even there is another name, dragon also there. Evening star and morning star name is there. Evening star means price comes down. Morning star means the price tends to increase. Dragon is the bullish pattern. Usually, buyers are able to push the price. If it is in bearish trend, sellers are able to push the price. Dragon is coming into the market means somebody is doing something. If a person is giving a joke, you are all laughing. That is the dragon effect. Suddenly some news or any event is changing means it is due to the dragon effect. Because dragon is having a sudden attacks. You can see the spinning and rising window, hanging man, shaven bottom. These are all the normal terms what we are using in case of the candlesticks. Okay. So now coming to the Excel sheet, how we can create the bull candlestick. This is very interesting thing. Even you can create in case of Excel the chart for the candlesticks. Okay, simple thing. You can select this thing, volume traded, opening price, everything. You can go to the charts. Your charts, you can select stock. Yes, it has been selected. Yes, that is the chart which is showing that one. Bullish trend and how you can identify, you can see this is the price movements. This is the candlestick. Here the white means bullish, black means bearish trend. You can see, then this line indicates that it is doing well. You can see here, this is the bearish trend. The situation is worst on the 12th day. Whereas here you can see the bullish trend on the 2nd day. Then the engulfing. The engulfing is coming around here. The tsunami effect of bearish trend is coming here. That is an interesting thing. You can make it in case of the Excel also, all this candlestick theory. Likewise, in case of share market, you can see the movement. That is what you can see today's price, how the is going on. You can see now it is in red color. That means bearish trend. Tsunami is coming. The engulfed stage is there. Now you can see this place. And here in this investing.com, they mention nicely what is the pattern which has been affected. Current one, 3 inside up, bullish Doji star. Now, that is what is going on at present here at this place. I think they have increased that one. So what other things happen today? 3 inside up, it moves up, then bullish Doji, it is flat. Anyway, it went up, then it becomes flat. Then likewise, today in case of market, what happened? Falling 3, all these things. Harami effect happened in December 21st. Engulfing bearish trend happened on January 17, 2022. You can see hanging man effect has been identified in our market on October 3rd. Dragonfly doji, they would start dancing and moving. That happened on same time on 17th January by 11:45 p.m. Of course, it is in the international time. Okay? See, shooting star, bullish hammer, they clearly mention when it happened. So as an analytics students, the output will be in the form of candlestick. By seeing this candlestick, you are able to say whether it is dragon, bullish, bearish, or Harami effect, or hanging man. You are able to tell. Okay? So be clear. Whenever news is coming, you are able to tell all those things. You must know the basics of this candlestick. I think with this we can conclude today's class. And next class we will move on to the next part of the analytics. Okay?